kids, today we will learn counting numbers, shapes name, colors name and English alphabet. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me, colors name, green. Write with me, G R E E N, green. Say with me, color name, red. Write with me, R E D, red. Say with me, color name, black. Write with me, black. B L A C K, black. Say with me, color name, blue. Write with me, blue. B L U E, blue. Say with me, color name, yellow. Write with me, yellow. Y E L L O W, yellow. Counting numbers. Count with me, 1. Write with me, 1. Count with me, 2. Write with me, 2. Count with me, 3. Write with me, 3. Count with me, 4. Write with me, 4. Count with me, 5. Write with me, 5. Count with me, 6. Write with me, 6. Shapes name. Say with me, circle. Draw with me a circle. Color with me, circle. Say with me, triangle. Draw with me a triangle. Color with me a triangle. Say with me, shape name, rectangle. Color with me, rectangle. Say with me, shape name, star. Draw with me a star. Color with me, sky blue. Again say with me, shape name, star. Say with me, shape name, oval. Draw with me a oval. Color with me, oval. Write with me, English alphabet. uppercase letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Subscribe for more video.